Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn what are the alphabets in French. In English, we have 26 alphabets. We know that, right? In French also, we have the same 26 alphabets, same like as in English. If you observe here, the letters in English starts from A and ends with Z. And the pronunciation in English is like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In French also, we have the same letters like in English from A to Z. But the difference is the pronunciation. So, if you observe, these are the French letters. They look like English letters, but the pronunciation is different. So today we are going to learn the French letters with pronunciation. So we'll start. First letter is pronounced as A. B letter is pronounced as B. C letter in English is pronounced as Se. D as De. E as A. Just A. Here we pronounce A letter as A. Here E letter is pronounced as just A. F is pronounced as F, same like as in English. Letter G is pronounced as English letter J. H is pronounced as Ash. I is pronounced as English letter E. J is pronounced as English letter G. K is pronounced as K. L is pronounced as English letter L. M is pronounced as same as English letter M. N is pronounced as same English letter N. O is pronounced as same as English letter O. P is pronounced differently, P. Q is pronounced as same as in English, Q. R is pronounced as different, air. S is pronounced same as S. T is pronounced different, that is Te. Te. U is pronounced as same, U. V is pronounced as V. W is pronounced as W. X is pronounced as X. Y is pronounced as Y. Z is pronounced as Z. So these are the French letters with the pronunciation. So again, once again, we'll just read it fast. Just the French pronunciation. A, B, C, D, A, F, J, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So guys, I think this is clear about the pronunciation of French letters and what are the French letters we have in French language. So this is all about the alphabets in French. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. We'll be learning more and more French videos in the future. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.